why talking about boundaries matters.
Setting boundaries at work is crucial to maintaining your well-being and productivity. Clear communication with your boss can help prevent burnout, reduce stress, and ensure you have time for personal priorities. It's normal to feel nervous about these conversations, but taking proactive steps can make these important discussions more comfortable and effective for everyone.
Prepare your talking points.
Before the conversation, clarify your needs and priorities. Think about the specific work expectations or hours that are affecting your personal time. Write down concrete examples and propose solutions that still respect your job responsibilities. Being prepared not only helps you communicate clearly, but also shows your boss that you've considered the impact on team goals.
Choose the right time and setting.
Pick a low-stress time to approach your boss and ask for a private meeting. Avoid high-pressure moments, like right before a big deadline or when your boss is visibly busy. A calm, private setting supports open dialogue, removes distractions, and shows that you want to handle the topic professionally and thoughtfully.
Communicate clearly and respectfully.
Express your concerns using I statements and focus on facts, not emotions. For example, say, "I've noticed I'm working late most evenings, and it's impacting my family commitments." Share how this affects your performance or well-being and suggest realistic adjustments, like honoring set work hours or delegating tasks to reach a balance that benefits both parties.
Handle pushback and reach agreement.
Be ready for questions or concerns from your boss. Listen actively, acknowledge their point of view, and stay solution-focused. If compromise is needed, suggest small changes first, and revisit the conversation later to evaluate progress. Setting boundaries is a process. Your openness and flexibility can help build trust and create positive, lasting changes at work.